The blog feature of the EzyCourse platform is a great way of driving additional traffic to your site. You can create stunning looking blogs very quickly and very easily. That's going to be of benefit to your visitors, but it's also going to be great from an SEO perspective as well. The blog site is beautifully presented. There's all these share buttons along the top, some related posts down the side, and I always include a link back to my courses community sign up pages at the end of each blog, just as a call to action. So if you haven't done so already, you'll need to make sure you get your categories set up ready to add some blogs. And the next thing we're going to do is show you how to add a blog. So I'm already in the blog section of the EzyCourse dashboard. You can find that in the menu under blogs. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new blog. So it's really simple to create a blog. You just follow the process from top to bottom. So first of all, we're going to give the blog a title. Now it's up to you whether you want users to comment on the blog or not. And you can also choose to show or hide the published date. Now sometimes if you're not blogging on a frequent basis, sometimes people like to hide away the published date so that content looks like it's fairly fresh. Next, we're going to paste in the content of our blog. Now, as you begin to edit your blog, you can use the header font style to call out different headers within your blog. So let's say we want this one to be header 1. And let's say these underneath are going to be subcategories. Now you can see what's happening just on the right hand side up here. You can see that as I am changing the styles of these headers, it is actually creating for me an overview of the document. So that's going to be my last H2 header, and then we're into the next section of the blog, which is coping strategies, and we're going to make all these into header 2s as well. So just looking back at the top here, it creates a nice little overview for your users to be able to navigate through the document. I'm just going to close that. And next we're going to enter a short description for the blog. Now very often, in order to get a short description, I look to the content of the blog. Sometimes I get something from the middle or the beginning or the end. Let's have a look. So that sentence there is a nice little description of the blog. I'm going to pop that in there. We're going to choose to publish the blog straight away, but you can leave it in draft to come back and work on it. You can schedule it for a future date as well. Next, we're going to choose a topic. So that's the category of the blog. And here you can choose whether the blog is going to be free or you can actually sell a blog as well. We're going to keep this one free. Finally, we're going to add an image. And there your blog is almost ready for publishing. You can see it's all laid out. Don't forget as well, you can format your blog in whatever way you want to. You can use images, videos, even audio within your blog. Now, just before we click create, we're just going to check on the SEO information just to make sure we're happy with everything that's in there, because this is the information that the search engines will see. And then once we've done that, we'll click create. Back on your blogs list in the EzyCourse dashboard, what's really useful is you can see how many views each blog has had. We're now going to look at this page from what the user sees. And here you can see it's beautifully presented. Our featured image is at the top. There's all these different share options for people. And you can see that the blog is nicely laid out. And there's also this table of contents here that people can click through. And just to finish off, I've gone onto a social media platform here to share the link, and you can see it displays with the link, but also the featured image. You've got the title of the blog there as well. So that's how easy it is to create blogs with EzyCourse.